Hello everybody, Mike here from Mike's Computer Tips. Today I'm going to do a video on tips for being a better gamer. The first thing you have to do is improve reaction speed. Working on your reflexes is a great habit. You can start by playing brain and video games for mental flexibility. Number two, get a video game console and some action games and play for 30 minutes a day. The gaming environment may also force you to make quick decisions based on limited information. Number three, play brain games. There are a number of sites online that offer brain training. Mix it up to avoid training the same way over and over. Number four, practice making quick decisions. In your everyday life, try to consciously speed up your decision making. If you feel yourself delaying or taking too much time, tell yourself faster until you make a final move. Try playing some online games when you have to make quick decisions. The timer in the games will force you to think faster in order to maintain a high score. Learn to speed read. This one almost feels like a game. Get a pack of gum and chew it when you know you need to be quick. Recognize the importance of minimizing your distractions. Perform eye exams also. Eye to coordination, like looking at an item and looking at other items, and do like coordination. That will speed up your reflexes. I hope these tips help you to become a better gamer. If you're new here, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.